Hello guys, my name is Dennis. Thank you for coming to my channel, and this is day 8 of 30 driving my Tesla Model Y. Today I'm gonna driving from work to home. Let's see how it's gonna be. I hope the video is gonna be the good quality, not overexposed, not underexposed. But the thing that I could see on the screen, I like it a lot. Okay, let's go. And I'm gonna turn it on right now. Sorry for the sound, I forgot to close the window. I'm gonna turn on right now autopilot. No. Let me try again, nothing happened. After steer temporarily unavailable. Let's check right now. Okay, looks like we're good. We now on autopilot. Looks like we're doing great here. Let me press a little bit more accelerator here. I'm gonna turn off the autopilot because first of all I need to move to the other lane, and yeah. Alright, let's go to the highway. Alright, and over here I'm gonna, come on, just let me go. No? Motherfucker. Alright, and I'm turning on the autopilot. But like you see before, the autopilots on the highways is doing a great job. I mean, you can trust the autopilot here on the highways. And now I think the traffic starts. But I gotta take the next exit. That's why it really doesn't matter for me if the traffic starts or no. And actually today I make the service appointment with the Tesla because I have some problem with how it's called, with the Dashcam, because it's sometimes it's not working. It's work one day, the other day it showed me that some error, and I tried to change the disc, but it's same problem. Then I made an appointment, and like in a few hours, the one guy called me and told me that he's from Tesla, and he checked my software, and the problem was of the bug of the software. With the next update, they're gonna fix that. Very nice. Like I told you, 2 hours after I made the appointment, perfect. Love Tesla, the best service. I mean, that's what I see right now. And after a few weeks, when it's going to be the new update, I'm going to check if they fix that problem for me. We'll see. But today is still working. The Dashcam, yeah, it's saving the clips and everything. It's fine. But I don't know how it's going to be tomorrow. I'm going to check it. Because it's like always when you, how it's called, when you format the disk, it's always working great, like that day. But when the car stay at night, and then you come in the morning, you actually, what's happened here? It's opened perfectly. I don't know. But it's really not a problem for me with the trunk. And sometimes actually my driver's side window didn't close also. It's also like closed, then it's open again, then again it's closed and open again, but not completely. I mean, I don't know why it's doing that, but sometimes it happens that way. Let me try, let's say open it, and let me try close it. No, now it's perfect, but sometimes it didn't do the great job. Sometimes, not always. And like I told you always in my videos, the weather is great today. It's not that hot that yesterday, but it's very nice actually. Perfectly nice. And alright guys, thank you for watching this short video again, how I'm driving the Tesla Model Y 2021 long range. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, like this video, and I'm gonna post next video tomorrow. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.